Let's define bias and prejudice. What is bias? Bias means a tendency to favor a person, group or thing, or point of view over another, often in an unfair way. So when we say bias, you are being unfair or you have your favorites, or what they call favoritism. For example, female teachers give more attention to girls. Let me give you another example. Christy won the beauty contest because one of the judges is her father. After discussing what bias is, let's proceed to prejudice. What is prejudice? Prejudice is an unfavorable opinion or feeling formed beforehand or without knowledge, thought, or reason. It simply means prejudge others. When we say prejudice, you are being judgmental or you're discriminating against someone. For example, it is sometimes assumed that someone who is physically disabled is also mentally disabled. Another example, Jane is not included in the dance group because she is fat.